Hey everyone, I want to let you know about a new project I'm working on. So I had this idea to build some fast and lightweight character animation rigs, essentially like body mechanics rigs to help with learning animation. Now the idea of these rigs is to focus on what's important and not be hindered with heavy files or distracting elements, stuff all over the place. So I've come up with this style which are broken into body parts, and I even added a little muscle definition. I think this will really help with posing, don't you think? Some of the features I've already implemented are the ability to hide and show different limbs. So say for example, you just want to see the torso and pelvis and not have the arms get in the way, for example. I've also added an instant solo legs feature. Now, I think this is great for animating things like walk cycles, but check this out. I thought it would be a great idea to be able to tint or change the color of each leg to sort of really help you focus on those foot placements and sort of the legs going past. I think this is a really cool feature. Now, so far I've modeled a standard male, female, but also like superhero proportions, male and female. And these are going to be like good for fight scenes, dynamic scenes. Now, I'm planning to make a whole library of different characters from different body types like fat, thin, old, young, but also quadrupeds like cats, dogs, then even move on to like things like creatures maybe, mechanoids, dinosaurs. The possibilities are endless, really.
So what do you think? Do you think you would like to use these rigs? Do you think they would be useful in learning animation? Let me know in the comments below what you think, even if you've got an idea for a certain character or a feature that you would like added to these rigs. Now, these first 4 characters are going to go live very soon. If you want to get your hands on these, I'm going to be giving away these to my supporters of the channel. So you need to head over to my Patreon page. Now, there's tier 2 and tier 3 over there. Tier 2 isn't really for giving away the rigs, but I'm still going to be giving away the 2 of them, the standard male and the female. Now, tier 3 is the one where you will get access to all these rigs, not just now, but in the future. So even if I make 10, 20, 30, 100 or something, you will get access to those as long as you are still a member. So we're going to be doing tutorials together as well where you can use them. Now, don't forget, the Patreon isn't just about me giving away rigs. I've only just started using this and we're starting to build a community. I've even given away things like project files. So I recently gave away the car smashing tutorial files and other models, Maya files, scripts, After Effects files, also like client project walkthroughs, behind the scenes videos, and like also you get access to me to be able to ask me questions and stuff for help. So it's still quite new, but it feels really nice. And I think giving this back to the community, these rigs that we're going to build, is going to be a really good step and help bring everyone together. So if you like what you've seen, it's only a short video today just to get your feedback, show you what I've been up to. I hope you really like it. And if you want to join and get your hands on these rigs and the ones in the future, head over to the Patreon and I'll see you there.